in the city and you're feeling desperate for a trip to the beach, who says you need to go any further than the Chao Phrayah River?
Bangkok is home to many cool venues to party, but this would have to be one of the most unique, perched on the banks of the river in the city heart. To get here, it's a good idea to take the BTS skytrain to the Saphan Thaksin station. Then take a leisurely walk along Chareon Krung Road towards Soi 57. You can explore the shophouses and temples along the way. This is one of the oldest parts of the city and is rich in history. Opposite Soi 57, you'll see the entrance to the old Bangkok Dock. Walk through the entrance and down to the river. The quirky Bangkok Island awaits. You can relax with a cocktail on shore or head aboard for sunset on the river. The space is huge and available for private parties or corporate events. Bangkok Island boat will hold 320 people and is also capable of cruising up the Chao Phrayah River for music events and even weddings. There are also special cruises with DJs, live music, food and drinks. On a regular day, entry is free. So why not experience some city life, island style?